Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Dante, heavy Chevy rider with the 72 Monte Carlo. Your boy sweating. It's humid out here in Minnesota. You know what I'm saying? It's raining outside. But we're gonna do something. I got a little package in the mail. We're gonna do a little opening. I know everybody do box openings, whatever. Really, I'm trying to do it because I need a sponsor. You know, I'm trying to get some of these dudes to pay for this. If I can get somebody to sponsor your boy, give me some parts. I'm really hoping Dakota Digital come through for me. You know, that HDX dash they got, that dash kit is something serious. But nonetheless, here we go. We got a little box I'm going to open up for you guys. All right, so we got 2 boxes from OPGI. That's the Original Parts Group Incorporated. I'm really digging them. From everything I can see, they really got everything you need to restore a vehicle. I mean, let's be honest, it's difficult enough. You got price gouging for used parts. You know, if you're going for that route and you want to go all original, have at it. I'm not paying for what some of these dudes are charging. You know, I got the tape over my stuff. Y'all can't know where I live. You come over here, it could be problems. But let's go ahead and get this box open. I'm gonna box it open real quick, and we'll be right back. All right, everyone, I'm back. So let's run through a couple of the things I got here. Got a wiring diagram. The gentleman I bought the car from did a lot of work himself. I can only trust it so far. The vehicle I haven't had any issues with as of yet, but in case I run into those issues, for example, I'm not a fan of how he wired up the wipers. You know, I don't have windshield wiper fluid. There's not even a tub for that, and there's no horn. So, you know, a couple things I can do. Got the layout of how I can get the horn wired up to my liking. Got the inside lock rods for the doors, both the left and right. These here are sleeves. You just slide them right over the rods. As we all know, these cars are old metal, so I'm trying to prevent any rattling from going on whatsoever. The interior is going to get a full Dynamat or Hush Mat, one of the two. I got a guy at TC Auto Spot. He's going to plug me, order up the stuff bulk. Said he saved me a couple dollars if I do it myself. Got the actual factory manual. Let me tell you something. I've heard a lot of reviews on this stuff. I mean, you can even see it looks like somebody drew this picture. Nonetheless, that's an inch thick of information. That's an inch worth of information I didn't have prior to buying that book. So to each his own, do what you please. Got the rear window moldings after I put the headliner on. Wind lace after I put the headliner on. And I'm gonna have to check on these. These are the door handles. Currently he's got aftermarket door panels on the doors, but these say they're for a Catalina. I know all the A bodies, you know, the Chevelles, El Caminos, Catalinas, but I'm gonna need to cross-reference this before I open that package. Otherwise, you're gonna have to send me my money back, OPGI. So that's for the left and the right door. And then I got the bows for the headliner in here. Didn't feel like taking them out. You're not missing nothing fancy there. You'll get a full walkthrough on those once I actually start putting the headliner on. But just wanted to give you guys a little heads up on what I got cooking. You know, they did a real good job. Instead of folding this up, that was inserted in between these 2 pieces of cardboard to keep it straight. So I truly respect that. Instead of messing up my stuff before you send it to me, Original Parts Group, you get a 5-star review just for that right there. Everything was packaged nice. Oh, let me grab one more thing. What do we got in the bag? Oh, I want to pour this out. Oh, you tripping, Dante? You pouring the bag out on the car? No. All right, bolt kit. This is everything I need. I got clips for the bows. You know, I'm expecting things to break as I'm working on this vehicle. I've never done this type of work before. You know, this is something I plan to put a little bit of my tender love and care into and pass down to my son. But I got bolt kits for the door latches. They're coming off. They're getting cleaned up. All types of little locking rod pieces. Full screw set for the visor, the seal plate, the pillar, the windshield mold screws, seal latch, steering column, kick panels. Everything's right in here. So when I'm pulling something off, if I don't like the way it looks, it's rusty, I don't want to clean it up, it's getting a new shiny bolt. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do with the paint job yet, but I'm sure it'll look nice with the chrome and brand new bolts around the whole vehicle. So that's all I got for you guys for now. Share, subscribe, like the video. I'm going to keep these things going as I restore this thing to a nice ride. I don't know, it might get some 22s on it. You know, this thing's looking kind of clean. And no, those aren't Brembo brakes and none of that, you know. But it is disc all the way around. Guy painted them. Anyways, it's clean. You guys see the monster. Share, subscribe, like. I'm looking for those sponsors. You know, get some of that free stuff. I'm going to keep you guys posted.